Yes, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Laguna XX 2.1 locally for free. So this is the new model that recently launched. So if I go into this command prompt right there, LLaMA -version. So you can see 31.1 that install. The next is here on this Google search box right there, LLaMA, then go on this LLaMA.com site. There, click on this models. Then you can get this Laguna XS 2.1 that recently launched. Click this. Then you need to copy this command. Copy and open the command prompt. Let's use their CLS and paste this. So LLaMA run Laguna XS 2.1. Press enter. So this here pulling manifest, and here this is now software is currently downloading. The total size 20 GB, and this will take some time to complete this download. Here, Laguna XS 2.1 that download and install successfully. Thereafter, you can write any query there. So let's test with the hi. This here returning this all thinking and hello, how can I help you? So writing the message how to learn coding. So this is the next question. This is currently processing. This here or returning how to learn thinking and this returning there. Choose your first programming language this. Then after learn the fundamentals and this here. So this is how we can do the installation of Laguna. So I hope guys this video is the helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.